Now we will study the role of entrepreneur in a economic development. See, entrepreneur is a business leader that looks for idea and puts them into the most effect for the economic growth and development. So it has a triggerhead to give a spark to economic activities by entrepreneur decision. So the major role played by entrepreneur economic development of an economy are first promotes the capital formation. Capital formation is for mobilizing the idle savings of the public. They employ their own as well as borrowed resources for setting up their enterprises. Second, they create large scale employment opportunities. It provides immediate large scale employment to the unemployment, which is in the chronic problem of underdevelopment nations. With the setting up of more and more units by entrepreneur, both on small and large scale, numerous job opportunities are created for others, and for as the time passes, the enterprises grow. That will provide direct and indirect employment opportunities to many more. It promotes balanced regional development. It helps to remove regional disparities through setting up industries in less developed and backward areas. So the growth of industry and business in these areas leads to large number of public benefits like road transport, health, education, entertainment, etc. So setting up of more industry lead to more development of backward regions and thereby promotes balanced regional development. It reduces the concentration of economic powers. See, economic powers is the natural outcome of industrial and business activity. So, the industrial development normally led to the concentration of economic power in the hand of a few individuals, which result in the growth of monopolies. So, in order to redress this problem, a large number of entrepreneurs need to be developed, which will help and reducing the concentration of economic power against the population. Next is the wealth creation and distribution. It stimulates equitable redistribution of wealth and income in the interest of the country to the more people in geographical area and thus giving benefit to the large section of society. So entrepreneur activity will generate more activities and give multiple effect in the economy. Next is the increase in gross national and product and per capita income. They are always look upon for the lookout for the opportunities, explore and exploit opportunities, encourage effective resource mobilization of capital and skill, bring in the new product and services, and develops market for the growth of economy. So, in this way, they help in increasing the gross national product as well as per capita income of the people in the country. So, an increase in gross national product and per capita income of a people in a country is a sign of a economic growth. So, that above what we have studied is the role of entrepreneurship in economic development. We have studied the following points and how this points promote the economic development uh, is the major concern and how this entrepreneurship help in development of country of a nation.